Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the divisibility rule of 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit of the number and a number formed by the remaining digits of the number is divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit of the number and a number formed by the remaining digits of the number is divisible by 7. Let's see some examples to understand this rule. Is the number 98 divisible by 7? The last digit of the number 98 is 8, and the number formed by the remaining digits is 9. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 8, which is equals to 16. Now, let's calculate the difference between twice the last digit of the number, which is 16, and the number formed by the remaining digits of the number, which is 9. When you calculate the difference, always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. And 16 is larger than 9, right? Therefore, 16 minus 9 equals to 7. We know that 7 is divisible by 7 because 7 divided by 7 is 1 and its remainder is 0. Therefore, since 7 is divisible by 7, the original number 98 is also divisible by 7. Let's see another example. Is the number 651 divisible by 7? The last digit of the number 651 is 1, and the number formed by the remaining digits is 65. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 2. Now, let's calculate the difference between twice the last digit of the number, which is 2, and a number formed by the remaining digits of the number, which is 65. When you calculate the difference, always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 65 is larger than 2, right? Therefore, 65 minus 2 is equals to 63. Is 63 divisible by 7? If you don't know whether 63 is divisible or not by 7, don't worry. You can repeat the same rule on 63. This is what's stated here. This rule can be repeated when needed. You can repeat this rule when needed. Okay, let's repeat the same rule on 63. The last digit of the number 63 is 3. And the number formed by the remaining digits is 6. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 6. Now, let's calculate the difference between twice the last digit of the number, which is 6, and a number formed by the remaining digits of the number, which is again 6. Therefore, 6 minus 6 equals to 0. We know that 0 is divisible by 7 because 0 divided by 7 is 0 and its remainder is also 0. Therefore, since 0 is divisible by 7, the number 63 is also divisible by 7. Since 63 is divisible by 7, so original number 651 is also divisible by 7. Let's see more examples. Is the number 14,896 divisible by 7? The last digit of the number is 6, and the number formed by the remaining digits of the number is 1,489. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 12. Now, let's calculate the difference. 1,489 minus 12 is equals to 9 minus 2 is 7, 8 minus 1 is 7, and we have 4, we have 1. Is the number 1477 divisible by 7? Let's repeat the same rule on it. The last digit of the number 1477 is 7. And the number formed by the remaining digits is 147. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 14. Now let's calculate the difference. 147 minus 14 is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, and we have 1. Is the number 133 divisible by 7? Let's repeat the same rule on it. The last digit of the number 133 is 3, and the number formed by the remaining digits is 13. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 6. Now let's calculate the difference. 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Now we know that 7 is divisible by 7 because 7 divided by 7 is 1 and its remainder is 0. Therefore, since 7 is divisible by 7, the number 133 is also divisible by 7. Since 133 is divisible by 7, the number 1477 is also divisible by 7. Since 1477 is divisible by 7, so original number 14,896 is also divisible by 7. Let's see 2 more examples. Is the number 89 divisible by 7? The last digit of the number 89 is 9, and the number formed by the remaining digits is 8. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 18. Now let's calculate the difference. 18 minus 8 equals to 10. We know that 10 is not divisible by 7 because 10 divided by 7 is 1 and it has a remainder 3. Therefore, since 10 is not divisible by 7, 89 is also not divisible by 7. One last example. Is the number 2297 divisible by 7? The last digit of the number is 7, and the number formed by the remaining digits is 229. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 14. Now let's calculate the difference. 229 minus 14 is equals to 9 minus 4 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, and we have 2. Is the number 215 divisible by 7? Let's repeat the same rule on 215. The last digit of 215 is 5, and the number formed by the remaining digits is 29. Twice of the last digit is 2 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 10. Now let's calculate the difference. 21 minus 10 equals to 11. We know that 11 is not divisible by 7 because 11 divided by 7 is 1 and it has a remainder 4. Therefore, since 11 is not divisible by 7, the number 215 is also not divisible by 7. Since 215 is not divisible by 7, so original number 2297 is also not divisible by 7. So keep in mind that a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit of the number and a number formed by the remaining digits of the number is divisible by 7. I believe you find this video useful. Please check also the description box below. There might be some useful information. If you have any question or if there is something that's unclear for you, please ask in the comments. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.